Government advisor Kanchan Gupta is saying, and this is the breaking news we're bringing you. As fifth columnists infiltrate the protest by doctors in West Bengal, the Mamata regime of fear destroys the very scene of the horrible crime. CCTV footage is alleged to have been destroyed earlier. Calcutta newsrooms are abuzz with furtively shared information about the real culprits, kin of a powerful confidant of the leader, and two interns, which nobody dares to print or broadcast for fear of retribution. This is a government advisor who's put out this statement. Okay, let's just go over to our colleague Payal Mehta to understand more. Payal, it is fair to tell our audiences right now that Kanchan Gupta is essentially saying this is a cover-up. Can you just share more information with us, please?
You know, basically, you've seen a war of words that is being exchanged between the Bengal leadership led by the Trinamool Congress in the state, and of course the centre over here with the BJP hammering the Bengal government for its lawlessness as well. You know, even last night, Toya, you remember there was a video message with JP Nadda, the party's national president of BJP, and of course, Union Health Minister had actually put out a video saying that he is really sorry to see what is really panning out, you know, in this state of Bengal, especially with lawlessness and the attack on women and the lack of safety of women that one has seen over the years, and that's the reason the BJP has in fact been speaking about the Parivartan or change as well. So obviously Kanchan Gupta, an advisor to the Ministry of Information Broadcasting and a veteran journalist in himself, has come out and really called out the Bengal government here on this occasion and calling this a mere cover-up, given the fact that it was after much pressure came their way, and of course they got a lot of hammering at the hands of the Calcutta High Court, after which the Bengal government decided to pass on the case to CBI.
Just tell our audiences though, Payal, the assertion that Kanchan has made is a very specific one. She's said there are real culprits, there are kins of the powerful confidant of the leader. She's also said two interns. So she's making two accusations here. She's named people without naming them, and she's also said there's more than one person, which the investigation hasn't yet found.
Yes, the investigation is yet to be handed over officially. You know, the CBI is expected to take control of the situation anytime now. But, you know, the fact that the CCTV footage has allegedly been destroyed, you know, there have been attempts to, in fact, pressurize and force newsrooms to go a certain way and, you know, to provide a certain kind of impact on this entire issue. You know, nobody dares to, point out these alacrities in the entire investigation. That is something, of course, which Kanchan Gupta is speaking about. He, in fact, has also attached a video where he's speaking about the fact that a lot of cover-up has been done, evidence has been destroyed, and, you know, the kin of a powerful confidant of the leader over here obviously is referring to Mamata Banerjee,
right,
and two interns, and nobody will be ready to broadcast or, talk about them as well.
Okay.
But, you know, we can't really verify for these things that Kanchan Gupta is speaking about. We can't verify whether this video that is attached is actually true in nature, but he's just leveling these allegations, at the Bengal establishment and pointing a finger at Mamata Banerjee in particular.
Okay, thank you, Payal, for clarifying that for us. We obviously can't verify anything that's been put out there, but it is important to show that the BJP, which is in opposition in the state, is pointing holes at the investigation. Let's just move on right now. More reactions in the story. Take a look.
जी, हम लोग अभी रात को डॉक्टर श्री जेपी नड्डा जी से उनके घर पे आके हम लोग मिले हैं। हम लोग कल भी मंत्री जी से मिले थे। हम लोगों ने मंत्री जी से जो कल अपनी डिमांड्स रखी थी, जैसा हमने अपनी प्रेस रिलीज़ में दी थी, उन्हीं को हमने आज रीफॉर्मुलेट करके वैसी की वैसी ही डिमांड्स हमने मंत्री जी को दी हैं। एज अ संस्था जो हमारी फोडा है, हम लोग की सारी डिमांड्स मानने की वजह से हम ये स्ट्राइक को अब विराम देंगे, हम इसे कॉल ऑफ करेंगे। हमें अभी ये पता है कि मंत्रालय की तरफ से भी इसका एक फॉलोअप, एक ट्वीट आएगा, एक फॉलोअप, एक कम्युनिकेशन आएगा।
Sir, today you met the Union Health Minister. What was the assurance given? What were the demands with which you met the Health Minister?
Yeah, the first demand is to declare hospitals across the country as safe zone. Every hospital is entitled to certain amount of security, which should be an entitlement. And then the second thing is to declare a central act, which was earlier proposed by the government, but still has not come to the parliament. And he said that there are certain limitations, but he said that he will consider favorably and then release a statement on that.
The High Court has in fact ordered that the entire case should be given to the CBI, the Central Bureau of Investigation. How do you see this decision by the High Court?
IMA welcomes this step because this will be a confidence boosting on the investigation and the culprits will be punished. So this is a very important development that has happened today. We welcome that.
So you're also going to West Bengal today. What are going to be the, will you be meeting the Chief Minister? What are you going to do as the IMA President tomorrow?
Yeah, we will be going to study the ground level and also what were the factors which led to the crime. We are more interested in, why this happened. What are the gaps? So we will give a report to the government also that these are the labs.
हमें अभी खबरें मिल रही हैं कि कुछ रेजिडेंट डॉक्टर्स एसोसिएशन की बॉडी ने स्ट्राइक को कॉल ऑफ किया है। मैं आप सभी लोगों को निश्चिंत करना चाहता हूं कि फेडरेशन ऑफ ऑल इंडिया मेडिकल एसोसिएशन ने अभी इमरजेंसी मीटिंग करी थी जिसमें 55 से 60 के करीब मेडिकल कॉलेजेस के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स पैन इंडिया, तेलंगाना, वेस्ट बंगाल, कर्नाटका, तमिलनाडु और केरल, हर जगह से लोग आए थे और उन सबों ने यही सहमति दी है कि हम इस स्ट्राइक को कंटिन्यू रखेंगे।
हम लोग ये सुन के बहुत खुश है। हम लोग को मन में बहुत शांति मिल रहा है कि हाँ अभी सीबीआई के हाथ में गया है तो प्रमाण के साथ, सही प्रमाण के साथ अभी जोशी को पकड़ा जरूर जाएगा।
यही हमारा डिमांड था। हायर अथॉरिटीज ऑलरेडी रिजाइन, बट ये एक जो डिमांड था ये हमारा फुलफिल हो। ये जो मास रैली हुआ था जो अभी भी हो रहा है इसके वो दबाव में ये जो हुआ ना सीबीआई का, अब में हमको लगता है कि इन्वेस्टिगेशन प्रॉपर होगा एंड वी विल गेट सम मोर क्लूज दैट हु आर द कल्प्रिट्स। ओके and we demanded about the CBI inquiry.
अच्छा हुआ सीबीआई को मिला है क्योंकि कोलकाता पुलिस जितनी स्पीड से काम कर रहा था उससे जस्टिस तो नहीं मिलता। अभी क्या कभी भी नहीं मिलता। अभी अगर सीबीआई अगर सच ठीक से देख ले तो अच्छा होगा।